My name is Krishna and today I am here with my new Arduino project, which is Security Alarm Project. So I have designed a door security alarm project. Whenever a person will try to enter the house without the permission, my alarm will get activated and alert the people in the house that there is someone entering the house without permission. As you can see, this is my program. In my program, I have written that whenever the IR sensor will detect anything, it will glow the red LED and give a high frequency beep sound of the buzzer. And when it will not detect anything, it will glow the green LED. So now, as you can see, this is my whole circuit. Whenever my IR sensor will detect anything, it will glow the red LED and give a high frequency sound of the buzzer. And when my IR sensor will not detect anything, it will glow the green LED. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share this video. And please subscribe my YouTube channel too. Thank you. Have a nice day.